We're gonna do some ASMR. We're gonna. Oh, it broke! Yeah. That was so weak.
What up, YouTube? Guess who's back?
Oh God, the Silverado's back. That's what's back.
It's back again. All right, so guys, I know we've been doing a lot of big hauling, but the thing is, boxes keep arriving. So we got to.
Those are huge boxes, dude.
We gotta do some things for big hauling, you know? We gotta do some things. One of the things that it needs, we all know, it needs headlights. So guess what Daddy ordered?
Oh, wait, hold on. Get that out of the way. We don't need that.
No, we don't need that. We don't need that.
Professional around here.
But you know, we just.
Oh, those are clean, dude.
No.
Oh, dude,
Oh, that's made up, bro.
I'm kidding. Those are actually clean. Better than the stock ones. It'll get rid of that yellow blinker on there, you know?
Exactly. And then, you know, we gotta have something to go along with this, so you can't just put the normal bulbs back in there. We gotta put some of them shiny ones, you know?
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Look at that. That's the top.
They come pre-smoked and everything, bro.
Yes, sir. You gotta order the right stuff, you know?
Pre-smoked.
She smoked out.
Dang, bro. You can see my reflection. This is brighter than my future, bro.
In his future, y'all hear that? You know?
The future of my life, that thing's brighter than it, and it's even smoked out.
So guys, let's take a look at this. It's pretty simple install, what it looks like so far. All right. So what we have here, this headlight sits in this groove. Oh, let me do it right.
You gonna break it, dude?
No, don't. Do a flip. All right. So guys, this lines up right here just like that. And this pin slides through. We can take a look on the other side here.
Yeah, let's do that.
The pin slides through. What you do is lift it up and you slide it. So get it to a good point. Of course, you know, when you're on camera, that's when stuff. Ooh, and it cut me.
Oh, dude.
Awesome. So anyway, that's all it takes. Headlight out.
She clean,
That's how that goes.
Oh, dude.
So did you do one of these? Give it a nice turn.
Turn and pull. You just drop the old
This
ones
turn?
if you don't need them, you know?
There it is.
Oh, it's out.
Headlights
That's
out.
simple.
That's simple, guys. Look, you can't even see inside of it. Versus the new stuff. Look at that.
Wow, look at that. Hold on just a minute. Wait a minute. Mr. Booty, oh man.
Oh, bro, I love him. I can't wait to see him. I can't wait to see him on the truck. Yeah, I can't. I really can't. Yeah, it's frightening me, but you know, what can you do? It's because I'm getting old.
Dang, dude, you wouldn't hit the camera, bro. Jesus.
Oh, my bad, bro. My bad.
In a couple of days, we are actually gonna have another thing for the Volvo, and I got one of the other things for it. A new thing for it. It's my turn. It's my shine, dude.
Oh, my bad, bro. My bad.
We're talking about the Volvo right now. We're gonna get more things for that Volvo, and it's not done just yet. We're gonna have some meat, and if you like Volvos, anyone should like cars. You should appreciate them, you know?
Exactly.
So we're gonna have more about that this week. I'm a little tickled about it. I can't wait. I can't wait for it, dude. I'm tickled. I can't wait. Like, I can't stop. I have a laptop, by the way, and that might give it away, but maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe some people are dumb like me, but you know, what can you do?
You're doing this pretty quick, brother.
Yeah.
Whoa. Hey, wait, check it out. I'm sorry.
Hold on. We making noise. Is it all of them just literally just turn? Look at the water. Let's walk outside, guys. Let me show you how much water is in this.
I also have another announcement to make in just a second once we dump this out.
Watch this, guys. This is why I need new headlights.
You're kind of empty on blinker.
My blinker fluid run a little low.
Just dumped it out. You know how much that costs a cent, dude?
Man, that's like $20 right there, blinker fluid. You know?
That's $20? Oh my God. If you look, I got new Timbs, bro.
Oh, you did?
My other one started talking to people.
They talked to people a long time ago, bro.
Yeah, they started talking to people. So I had to pick myself up.
Hey, you know what his shoe said? Hello?
This is probably the easiest project that we've done.
For sure.
The easiest one, right?
Hands down, bro. Hands down. We say that now until something doesn't fit. And what I like to do, that I'm not going to do in this video, but I will come back and do this. One thing about aftermarket headlights and taillights, sometimes they don't come with the greatest seals around them. So to prevent water from getting inside of these headlights and taillights, what I'm going to do is put a silicone bead around here to keep this watertight. And I'm gonna do it all the way around. You're not gonna see it from outside of the truck, but you know what? It's gonna prevent a lot of water condensation build up, you know?
Look at that.
Oh, look at that pretty. Oh, that.
Oh, it's got the rainbow pearl inside, dude.
Look at that, bro. Oh, hold on.
Dude, it looks like it's a brand new truck. Oh, dude. Like me being tickled about my car, you're tickled about yours.
For sure, bro.
You know? You gotta be tickled in those moments.
So right here, what's this?
What's this?
Well, I mean, I'm just trying to see what bulb it is.
Well, that's not good. You just took it apart. What's this?
That's a standard 12 volt, 50 watt bulb.
Bub.
Bub.
We're gonna do some ASMR. We're gonna. Oh, it broke! That was so weak. All right. Anyways, everyone.
That better, bro?
Oh, mine was better. Mine was louder before, but it wasn't recording because I'm kind of dumb. I'm telling you, I am. Only in some cases, though. But anyways, we got 2 sets of boxes here, and these contain the bulbs that we're gonna use for the new headlights. Oh, it's got the entire light wire too, dude. Jeez. All right, so obviously this is not the bulb that it, this isn't the bulb, this entire thing. It comes in a little case, so just in case it doesn't crack or break when it's shipped, just for extra protection. But you see we have the standard 2 bulbs. We got the wires with it. Low beams. All right?
That's your dim son.
Dim son? Oh, damn, son, where'd you find? I'm sorry. He thinks I'm special.
I didn't never said that once.
You did say that. You didn't say it, but you thought it.
That's 8 up, bro.
You thunk it.
So now you're assuming what I think. What's up?
Bro!
What's up?
You just pop it in there and not show everyone.
Well, I was showing them. You just
I
talking.
think we should make this black.
That's gonna happen. This
Oh,
whole
yeah?
grill's coming off.
Because this is black, but they didn't,
So what I'm actually gonna do, I feel like a textured black would be better, like a
Like
black
the-
wrinkle or something.
Wrinkle?
Yeah, like a wrinkle look, like like a powder coat finish.
Oh, I hear you. I hear you.
Yeah. So I feel
Oh,
like
kind of like the. Oh yeah. I think you do like a pearl one.
this is just underneath. So technically, I could pop this off, clean all this up,
That's busted, bro. You can't
or
be-
paint it right over
All right,
it.
listen. Oh, wait, here's the thing. You can't get a new light fixture and have your truck looking busted like that, man.
Son, it's one thing at a time. Jesus.
All right, so what we need to do now. I'm kidding, bro, I'm
That's not even
kidding.
funny. That's not even funny, bro.
These are nice.
All right, guys. So we had a little bit of a dilemma.
Thing I'm gonna say is make sure that in every description, they tell you the truth. They boom ganged us.
They did.
They really did.
They lied.
So with the lights that they sent us, they have ballast wires on it. And on everywhere, it's a ghost. I'm telling you, it's a ghost. That does not happen. You guys hear that? The tire fell by itself.
What flat tire at that?
A flat tire, it's flat. It's a flat tire. Why would it fall by itself? This ghost has maybe a kink for tires, maybe?
You a fool, bro.
I don't know, it might have a kink for tires. Back to my story. They say it's plug and play and they don't say you require a ballast. They don't say parts also brought with. None of that. We're over here scrambling to get this thing put in with the lights in. It does not have a ballast and it requires one. They never said you need one. You read the entire description, all that bullshit. I read it over, looked at everything. It didn't say anything like that. It says plug and play and it says no modifications required, nothing like that. Well, you have to modify it with a ballast.
Right. So on that note,
We're just gonna put the headlights back in. Because we're still gonna get something done today, that's for sure.
How does that fall? It was sitting like that. It's even on both sides. It was sitting and then it just fell. That's what you heard. Look, it's sitting flush. It's not tilted or anything. It's flush. Oh, they're towing the car over there. Huh, what can you do, right?
do a flip.
Should I yell at him? Hey, tow truck man, do a flip. What if he busted a flip?
That'd be funny, bro. You never know people's abilities. He might be able to do a flip, you know?
What are you like, ability? This is the superhero talk, bro.
Hey, I'm just saying, bro.
I'm just saying.
You don't know people's abilities nowadays.
Sometimes I'm slacking, sometimes I'm out in the open.
Sometimes he forgets his medication.
I don't actually take medication, but whatever floats your boat, I guess. We're gonna get these put on, show you the finished product, and then we're gonna call it, okay? So we're gonna get these put on, make them look good, and then we'll show you the finished product.
We're gonna show the high beams and see how they look. Dang, those are bright, dude. Those are the stock ones though. It looks different on camera versus the actual look of the car. Oh, dang, those are clean, dude. Woo! How do you feel about it?
I think it brightens up.
Are you okay, Stutter Man?
And I was acting like Bobby Boucher from Waterboy, you know? So the thing is, they look fresh.
Okay, Bobby. Okay, Bobby. Oh, dang. Oh, wait, hold on. No, okay. If you're gonna bust it down like that, you gotta give a warning.
I can't give a warning, bro. It just happens. It's just part of the, you know what I mean?
Okay, Mr. Marine. We got Bobby Marine right here. What else that we have? Let's go ahead and show them what else we have, man. This is not sponsored by Pepsi. Oh, what's in there?
I don't know, bro. Let's see.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Ooh.
Wait, hold on. Take the paper out, take the paper out, take the paper out. Wait, you didn't see that?
If they did, it's okay.
Oh, dude, that filter's beautiful.
We got a 4-inch inlet filter.
Oh, dude.
For the colder take, you know? We got
okay, that's actually huge. It might not look like it on camera, but that's huge.
And we got the powder coated intake pipe piece.
Oh, bro, that's clean.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a Harry Dude's back.
See, all right, so right here, this is that black finish that I was talking about that I want to do for the front grill.
Harry Dude's back.
Come on, bro, focus.
I'm sorry.
So, guys, what I want to do for that front grill is this same type of texture
I like that.
on that chrome there. So this piece here will be this type of color.
Oh, yeah.
Especially with the grills. And I might make that emblem blue, white, some cool color.
Make it blue.
You know.
Let's make that the theme, black and blue.
Black and blue.
Black and blue.
I don't know if he gives it away, but that camera angle he was just that. Pay attention. There's something in the background. You guys may like it. Just saying. Just a little something back there. If you can see, get the shape of it, put it in the comments below. Tell me, what's under that cover over there? Any guesses?
If you've made it this far to the end of the video, you can guess what that is. And it's been in previous videos. If you haven't seen them, go back. It's been in the Dogecoin video.
True.
It was in the Drop Shackles video.
True. Oh yeah, we're bringing Dogecoin to the moon. You know, just saying. Big HAULIN, fresh headlight upgrade. We'll be doing cold air intake next on. Guess what? That's gonna end the video, and we out.